Welcome, amazing ladies and gorgeous women, to my new video. Today, we have something truly special for you, a set of amazing pixie haircut ideas that are sure to spark your creativity and embrace your unique identity. And if you are looking for a slightly longer variation of the classic pixie, the pixie bob is a great choice. This style features a bit more length at the front, creating a bob-like effect while still maintaining the edginess of a pixie haircut. For those who prefer a slightly longer pixie cut, the long pixie haircut is the perfect compromise. This style offers more length at the top while still maintaining and keeping the back and sides shorter. It allows for more styling options and versatility while still maintaining the unique charm of a pixie haircut that's truly stunning and breathtaking. Curly haired women can also rock a pixie cut with confidence. The curly pixie haircut embraces and enhances natural curls, creating a playful and vibrant look. It is a low maintenance style that exudes personality and charm. Pixie haircuts are not limited to younger women. In fact, they can be an excellent choice for older women who want to embrace their natural beauty and exude confidence. Pixie haircuts for older women often feature softer lines and textures, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to their overall appearance. When considering a pixie haircut, it is important to consult with a professional hairstylist who can guide you in choosing the right style for your face shape, hair texture, and personal preferences. They will help you determine the ideal length, layers, and styling techniques to achieve the desired look. In conclusion, pixie haircuts offer a refreshing and bold opinion for women of all ages. Their short length and versatility make them a practical and stylish choice. Whether you opt for a classic pixie bob, or a curly variation, you're sure to make a statement with this trendy hairstyle. Embrace the charm of pixie haircuts and let your true beauty shine. If you enjoyed these styles and ideas and want more, be sure to select my videos and subscribe to my channel. For those in search of the short hairstyle ideas, you will find inspiration that perfectly complements your preferences and face shape. Embrace these ideas and you will witness a remarkable change in your overall appearance. Trust me, these ideas are what you have been looking for. Behold the beauty of blackish and goldenish shades. These short pixie haircuts are designed to make you fall in love with your reflection. I'll be returning soon with fresh content tailored to your desires. Rest assured, these ideas are exactly what you have been looking for. Thank you for watching, liking and subscribing. Stay fabulous and keep shining brightly. See you in the next video.